Here I have the Lenovo Slim 7. Let's take a look at it. Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. In my hands I hold the Lenovo Legion Slim 7. Now this video is going to be an overview of this laptop. I am currently working on the full review, which should be out a couple of days after this video comes out. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. So I have that Lenovo Legion Slim 7, and so you can see there the Legion logo is nice and shiny. The laptop is onyx black and is all metal chassis on the front, back, and inside. It's not a huge fingerprint magnet. Holding it like this, I don't really see any of my fingerprints. Maybe here a little bit. If I really, rub it, then you will see some fingerprints here. I don't know if the light is catching it. So you can see that. Let's go over that charger really quickly before we get into the ports and all that. So the charger is pretty big. It's big, I will say, because it's wide, but it's not very thick. And I'm gonna peel it, take the protective plastic for you. Here we go.
It's not coming up as clean as I thought it would. There we go. There we go.
So plastic's off. And as you can see, it's all black. It's a 230 watt power supply. And as I said, it's not super thick. It's wide, but it's not super thick, which should make it pretty easy to put in a backpack and not add that much weight to your backpack and be able to put it in there without taking too much space, which is one of the things that I think is really nice about this laptop, is that it's pretty small and thin. So it allows you to take it places for whatever you might need, playing games or doing work. Now the configuration for this laptop is the Intel Core i7-12700H. So this is a 12th generation Intel chip. Then we have the NVIDIA RTX 3060. Memory comes with 16 gigs of DDR5. Then we have the screen size is 16-inch, 1920 by 1200, and that supports 165 hertz. The storage on this particular laptop is 512 gigabytes and it's NVMe M.2 SSD. It supports Wi-Fi 6E, and this comes back with a 71 watt battery. The Legion Slim 7 comes with a 16:10 aspect ratio on the screen, so it is a little taller when it comes to screen. It's not a 6:9 aspect ratio, and as you can see, it's very, very light and very, very thin, and even when it's closed, it's thin, and you get this little lip here on the back of the laptop where it shows you pretty much where the screen starts. I think it's a pretty nice design. Now the RTX 3060 that comes back with it supports VSync and also is only 100 watts. This laptop comes back with a 1080p camera, so you'll get a better resolution when you're doing any conference calls or video calls. The laptop also comes equipped with Windows Hello. It has a fingerprint sensor built into the power button. And so far, I will say that that built-in sensor is really, really good and accurate. I haven't had any issues every time I wake up the laptop. Now the laptop lacks RGB all over it. So as you can see here in the back of it, where it says Legion, doesn't have any RGB, or back here or in the front. The only RGB they're going to find on this laptop is on the keyboard. And there are different ways to configure that RGB on the keyboard. So if you're looking for a gaming laptop that can pass as a work laptop, I will say that this will do the job because you don't have to worry about having all that RGB everywhere. This doesn't scream gamer laptop, even though it is. Now going through the port, we have a full-size SD card reader. We have this toggle where you can turn on and off the camera. So if you want to have your privacy, there's that privacy toggle. Then we also have the headphone jack, which also works as a microphone jack. Moving to the other side, which will be the left side of the laptop, we have two Type-C ports. The farther back one, the one closest to the vents or to the exhausts, is a Thunderbolt 4 port, and the one closer to the front of the laptop is a 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. The rest of the ports are in the back of the laptop, and here we have the HDMI 2.1 output port. Then we have three USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and then we have where the power connector goes. Now in the back of the device, where you can see all the ports, this area also lights up, which gives the laptop a nice premium feel and look. But also, if you're in a dark room, you don't have to fumble looking at where to plug things up. Now, if you want to turn those lights on or off, all you have to do is press the function key plus U to turn them on and off. Something that's really cool, in my opinion, as well, is when you press the function key, the keys that work with that function key only light up or stay lit up. So everything else in the laptop turns off except the keys that work with the function button. Where my palms rest also is plenty of space for my hands. I have big hands. And there is plenty of space to comfortably type where I'm not feeling that the chassis is cutting into my wrist or the bottom of my palms. So it is a nice feeling laptop. Now the laptop seems as if when you're looking at it that it has speakers here on the top, but the speakers are actually at the bottom of the laptop. So the sound is going to come out from the bottom, not from the top as it otherwise might seem. So that's the overview for the Lenovo Legion Slim 7. As I said, the review is coming out in the next couple of days. This video should be coming out either Wednesday or Thursday, meaning that the review should be out on Friday or Saturday. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Now, if you also have any questions or things that you want me to look into when I'm doing the review, let me know in the comment section of this video so I can add it to my review. As I said, I am in the process of shooting that, so I'll be able to squeeze in any questions that you might have. But you got to do it, like I said, before Friday or Saturday. If the video is not out on Friday, then you know it's coming out on Saturday. So make sure you add your comments and questions on the comment section of this video. As always, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.